Hey FBC, while I tell you the announcements, I'm going to try to complete a Rubik's Cube. So, really, all we have is that the Killer Bunnies, we're going to play some Killer Bunnies, and that will be probably, that would be on Tuesday actually. It's not Wednesday, so be sure you remember that. Also, that's about it. Live groups are coming up. Be sure if you want to get instated in one of those. I will. What am I trying to do here? No, I'm really bad at this. Okay, well that's about all I got in this small amount of time. Well, I'm not good, but if there is somebody out there in the audience who is today, you will win a very good prize. So if you can complete this whole Rubik's Cube before we're done, then I will give you a prize. Good luck.